Here's another box for you, Ash.
Oh, thanks, Stephen. I can't believe how much stuff I've got. I filled all these boxes already.
Do you want a hand?
Oh, yes, please. Here you go.
Ashley's moving to a new flat today.
It's going to be the perfect place to live. But first, I've got to finish packing.
Ash, are you really keeping this?
Of course I am. It was Grandma's. It reminds me of her.
OK, but you can't keep everything. There's a lot of rubbish here.
I'm not taking everything. I'm getting rid of lots of stuff.
What shall I do with this?
OK, that's rubbish.
And this? Rubbish?
Oh, wait. That's Annabelle. I told you. I've had her since I was 6. Look, if you want to make yourself useful, you can take the boxes down to the van.
All right, all right. This is really heavy. You've definitely got too much stuff.
Great. That's it. All packed up.
Shall we go?
Oh, you go on ahead. I'm going to clean up this place, but I'll meet you at the new flat later.
OK, Pete's coming over to give us a hand, unload the boxes.
Oh, great. Oh, will you get rid of those boxes of rubbish on the way?
Sure. See you later.
Great. Thank you. See ya.
Hi, Pete.
Hi, Stephen.
Here, help me with this box.
OK. Wow, that's heavy. What's she got in here?
Phew, that's it. My sister's got too much stuff. Listen, I need your help with a housewarming gift for Ashley's new flat.
That's nice. What sort of housewarming gift?
I want to surprise Ashley. I want to make this chair look really nice for her new flat.
OK.
There's some paint and paintbrushes in that box there.
That's a great idea. It does look a bit old. I'll get the paint.
Stephen, are you sure Ashley's going to like this colour?
Oops. What? Oh no, Ashley's gonna kill me. She hates pink. I thought that was white paint.
Oh, hey, Pete. Hi, Stephen. How's it going?
Hi, Ash.
Oh, hi Ash, yeah, great. Look, we've brought in all the boxes.
Oh, thanks, guys. So, what do you think of my new flat, Pete? I think my antique furniture is going to look great in here.
Yeah, antiques. I'm sure they'll look great.
Oh, it was really kind of you to come and help. And Stephen, you've done a great job too.
Yeah, I think I'm going to go now.
Right. Stephen, what's this? These were the boxes you were supposed to get rid of.
Oh no, I'm sure I got rid of all the boxes with rubbish.
Stephen, where is my stuff? Where are those boxes? Where's my doll, Annabelle? Oh, Stephen, where's my stuff? And what have you done to my chair?